Welcome to Yosemite National Park, a place where towering cliffs, roaring waterfalls, and endless adventures await. This itinerary offers a perfect blend of Yosemite's natural beauty and iconic sights, and is designed to help you make the most of your time in Yosemite National Park. All the stops in this itinerary are accessible by car. Alternatively, you can use the free shuttle to explore sites in the valley without worrying about parking. On day 1, you'll be heading into the park and experiencing the heart of Yosemite Valley. If you're heading to the park from the west via Highway 120, there are a couple of great stops along the way. At the Vista Point, enjoy panoramic views spanning Don Pedro Reservoir. Next, stop at Rim of the World, a viewpoint with panoramic views of deep canyons and rugged landscapes.
There's a new day to leave behind your trouble.
As you enter the park, stop at the Big Oak Flat information station for maps and trail conditions. Yosemite Valley Vista Point offers one of the first stunning glimpses of Half Dome as you approach Yosemite Valley. From this viewpoint, you can see the granite monolith rising majestically over the valley, its sheer face and distinctive shape making it one of the park's most iconic features.
Got to keep holding on through the night.
Make a quick stop at the beautiful roadside cascades as you drive over the bridge.
If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day, it is waiting for us.
Your first stop in Yosemite Valley will be at Bridalveil Fall. This is one of Yosemite's most iconic and picturesque waterfalls, plunging 620 feet down a granite cliff. Its misty spray, which gives it a bridal veil-like appearance, creates rainbows on sunny days. The short, easy walk to the viewpoint lets you experience the powerful rush of water up close. As you continue along Southside Drive, stop at the Cathedral Beach picnic area. Enjoy lunch by the Merced River with views of El Capitan. Sentinel Beach is another peaceful riverside spot to relax and soak in the beauty. Swinging Bridge is a great location for viewing Yosemite Falls from across the river. Sentinel Bridge offers a picture-perfect view of Half Dome, especially at sunrise and sunset. Finally, stop at Berg Bridge for a peaceful escape from the crowds. We recommend staying in the valley tonight to maximize your time in the park. If you enjoy camping, Lower Pines Campground is centrally located with easy access to Yosemite Valley. On day 2, we'll be exploring some epic views, famous landmarks, and waterfall hikes. Begin your day at the Yosemite Valley Welcome Center to learn more about the park's history, geology, and wildlife.
Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out.
Then, enjoy an easy, relaxing stroll along the trail to the base of Lower Yosemite Fall.
Till I met you at the concert the other day.
This is a short and easy 1-mile loop hike that takes visitors to the base of the stunning 320-foot waterfall, the final drop of Yosemite Falls.
Tonight will turn minutes into days.
The paved trail is mostly flat, making it accessible for most visitors, and offers breathtaking views, especially in spring when the waterfall is at its peak.
Lift up your head and lead. Count the stars before you leave. Save a kiss, pretty please. Try to reminisce over me. Know that I will cherish your memory.
By late summer, the falls can dry up completely due to reduced snowmelt from the Sierra Nevada.
Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight will turn.
At El Capitan Meadow, take in the sheer scale of El Capitan, the world's largest granite monolith.
Make me look away.
With binoculars or a zoom lens, watch rock climbers inching their way up the sheer granite face.
Lover or friend. Real or pretend.
Make a quick stop at Yosemite Valley View.
Tonight will turn minutes into days.
Gaze across the Merced River for unforgettable views of El Capitan and Bridalveil Fall.
However we end.
In the afternoon, drive up the scenic Glacier Point Road to visit the world-renowned Glacier Point, located 30 miles or 1 hour from Yosemite Valley. This road is typically open to vehicles from late May to October each year. On your way to Glacier Point, be sure to stop at Tunnel View, one of Yosemite's most photographed viewpoints. This viewpoint is a must-see, offering a panoramic view of El Capitan, Bridalveil Fall, Half Dome, and Yosemite Valley stretching below. As you continue your drive, stop at Washburn Point, a spectacular but less crowded alternative to Glacier Point, with clear, unobstructed views of Vernal Fall and Nevada Fall. Finally, you'll reach one of Yosemite's most popular viewpoints. Perched 3,200 feet above the valley floor, Glacier Point offers a jaw-dropping panoramic view of Half Dome, Yosemite Valley, and the High Sierra Peaks. From Glacier Point, you get a front row seat to Half Dome, rising nearly 5,000 feet above Yosemite Valley, once thought impossible to climb until 1875. Looking down, the Merced River winds through the valley, carving the iconic landscape over millions of years. After returning to the valley, end the day with a hike to Vernal Fall via the Mist Trail.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes.
Vernal Fall is one of Yosemite's most powerful and picturesque waterfalls, plunging 320 feet into the Merced River.
I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep.
The Mist Trail takes you up close, where the waterfall spray creates rainbows on sunny days.
I say, hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us.
It's a challenging but rewarding 3-mile out and back hike, offering breathtaking views from the footbridge, the top of the falls, and beyond. From the towering granite walls of El Capitan to the thundering waters of Vernal Fall, every moment here is a reminder of nature's power and beauty. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wandering, and let the wild places remind you just how incredible our world can be.